Okay, how to change the blade on a Makita circular saw. First thing we want to do is take the battery out, disconnect it from the power, and make sure it's not going to start up midway through the process. Second thing, we want to take the blade lock here, so we've got to push that in like that, hold it in, and then using an Allen key you want to turn the blade round until that goes in a little bit further and the blade is now locked. I've now got this is ratcheting, so I've got this set up to go clockwise, so the opposite of what you normally do to undo it. Take out the Allen bolt and the washer, and now take off the larger washer. The blade will come out after we pull the guard back. And now take the new blade. We want to make sure that the teeth are rotating the right way. We've got a little arrow on here, so we want to make sure that the blade's going the right way. We put that back on there, make sure it's seated. Then the washer, everything in reverse. So anti-clockwise to tighten it up, all the way in. And now I'll change my driver here, and we're going anti-clockwise. Tighten it up, make sure it spins. I can put the battery in. Perfect.